9:55 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, date 7/12/2015. I have before us right now the Dow Jones Industrial Average weekly chart. I also have the Dow Jones daily chart. And this weekly chart is where we got broke below. The red line is a 20 week, and that blue line is a 20 week, and this white line right here is a 50-week moving simple average on the Dow on a weekly level. And it's had a good size pullback in the retail world's opinion. And we tested the half bar, weekly half bar. That was a month period right there. And then we had these up and down volatilities. We closed up 200 points on Friday. They came in here at this white line, which is significant 50-week simple moving average. When we bring ourselves over here to the daily chart on the Dow, as you can see, it says daily chart, 250 days. We can see that the 200-day simple moving average at 17,699 is a resistance level, and we slightly went up there. So we were looking at this lower level of 17,500. And each one of these cells on a daily level in the Dow, we got big down day here, a bigger down day here, then another big down day here, and 17,500 is holding that support level. We're going into a major earnings season. That will be done in a separate video as to what people should be doing or not doing. And as far as our trading staff goes, they already know. And we had these major bottoms over here, and they did test it before it made a high. And over here, we were overbought. Over here, we're not overbought. And every move up into the simple moving averages is going to be a sell short period. This is the actual volatility that the Greece deal and Puerto Rico and all the doom and gloom stuff that is actually true is happening. And this just goes to show you the daily volatility in the Dow. And you have this daily volatility before a bigger move is going to happen. And that's exactly what volatility equals on both the bull and the bear. And once again, I'm just going to say 17,970 is this 50-week line up here, okay? But we have this wall of resistance on this big sell bar on the Dow. And one of two things are going to happen. Either we're going to travel up and hit resistance and sell off, or we're going to continue to get lower below this trend line right here, and we go a lot lower. Now, that's on a daily chart, but remember, we're in earnings season. Let us not forget that. Here is the weekly chart. And 50-week moving average, I will be able to tell you, is 17,590. That's the white line. The 10-week and 20-week moving average, which is slightly crossing over both of them, that means that the upside is going to be weak at resistance level, as it will. And we're going to give the common denominator on that red, and that's a 52-week moving average now, and that's at 17,961. And that's this weekly moving average. The daily 10-weekly moving average compared to those dailies I said, this is at 17,990, and that's that blue line. And when we start to cross over like that, it's getting more of a bearish tone than a positive tone. We are not overbought in the Dow, and we already know what the high frequency algorithms are going to do. And I just want to blow this part of it up. This was that major low on the Dow that we had called. And relatively to this period in time, it's basically been an up and down movement between both the bull and the bear. But I can tell you right now, if we do decide to break that 50-week moving average, our next low of support in the actual range on this particular index will be where these bottoms were. And that's right around 17,184. And if we break that, of course, we're going to come down and we're going to draw a trend line right about there. And I want everyone to know that that rising line right here, this beige color line, that's a 100 simple week moving average at 16,848. And basically right now we broke below 10 and 20, and the white line is a 50 weekly, and these are weekly compared to the daily, and we are going to be taking on the earnings season, and every crossroad at these weekly resistance levels, we're going to be taking big short positions on the Dow Jones Industrial Average.